open our new Scratch project, the next important step is to understand the interface. Before we start coding anything, it's really helpful to know that each part of the screen does. Scratch is divided into different sections, and every section has a special purpose, whether it's controlling characters, adding code blocks, or viewing the final animation. So in this part of this video, let's take a simple beginner-friendly tour of the entire Scratch interface. I'll walk you through each area one by one, so you know exactly where everything is and how to use it. Let's begin with the stage area. On the top right side of your screen, you'll see the stage. This is where animations, characters, and games appear. Think of it like the screen of the theater. Whatever you code will happen here. You'll also notice the green flag and the red stop buttons. The green flag is used to start your program and the red button is used to stop it.